getting fired on your first day back from surgery? Well, that's exactly what one Wayfair employee says that happened. You know, I took notes. So let's talk about it. Hey y'all, I'm Ebony with Emerald Career Consulting, and I explain employment law in plain English. A Wayfair employee is suing the company after she says that she was fired just one day after returning from medical leave. And according to the lawsuit, she worked at Wayfair for more than 5 years. She says that she had good performance reviews and she earned awards for her work. She also says she often worked more than 60 hours a week. Worker says that she has carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a condition that can cause pain, numbness, and weakness in your hands and your wrists. She says that her job made the condition worse because of the repetitive work. And I don't know why companies are always denying this. This is like a common thing with white collar workers. In January of 2025, she took approved FMLA leave for hand surgery. FMLA stands for the Family Medical Leave Act, and it's a federal law that can protect your job while you're out for certain medical or family reasons. She returned to work February 20th. Her doctor recommended one extra 15-minute break during her first week back, and according to the lawsuit, Wayfair approved that request. But then the very next day, she was fired. The company reportedly told her that she was being fired for work avoidance. According to the lawsuit, Wayfair said that she had incorrectly coded about 80 customer calls before she went on leave. But the employee says that those calls had been months earlier. She also says no one raised concerns before she took leave. Why does the timing matter? If an employer fires someone right after they use a legal workplace protection, then the employee may argue that it wasn't a coincidence. That's called retaliation. Retaliation means that you're punishing someone because they use a legal workplace right. The worker is also suing under the ADA, or the Americans with Disabilities Act, which is a federal act that protects qualified workers with disabilities from discrimination. She says that Wayfair also discriminated against her because of her disability. These are allegations. Wayfair has not been found liable, and the court will decide what actually happened. This case is a reminder of why timing matters. If an employer disciplines or fires someone right after they return from protected leave, then people are going to ask one important question. Would this have happened if the employee had never taken leave? And that's exactly what the court will have to decide. I want to know what you guys think about this in the comments.